So on the topic of detoxification, purification, doing these regularly scheduled periods of time where we give the body a break from that which might be harmful and encourage removing anything that might be considered disease promoting. Some people have reported starting these types of programs and feeling a little bit worse for a while. We wanted to address that issue that the organs of clearing, the liver, the kidney, the lymph, those need to be working well. If you have a lot of congestion in those organs, you might start a process and have a few symptoms. We wanted to address that a little bit in our program that we're going to talk about called Pre-Toxing.
Pre-toxing, yes, a little different than detoxing. So in my experience as a representative and an educator for Standard Process for about 11 years now, I have found that some of the common complaints we get with detoxification programs is around the third, fourth, maybe even the fifth day, somebody's not feeling so good. And one of the common symptoms is bloating. So, through other individuals that have mentioned things like this in the past, we came up with the concept of pre-toxing. I like to think of pre-toxing as preparing the organs of elimination for the things that are coming during the detox. And when people have their liver, their kidney, their bowels, and even their lymphatic system backed up, they're having a hard time dumping the toxins through those filters to get out of the body.
Makes perfect sense to me. And so tell us a little bit about your favorite 2 or 3 products for that.
Well, I will give you 4 quick ones. So my 4 favorite products for pre-toxing is Livaplex to help with the liver, Antranex to also help with the liver. We also have a product called Zymex, which is great for bowel detoxification. And we also have a great product called Thymex, which is really great for pushing the lymphatic system. So when we get those, at least those 3 systems really primed, we have a lot of patient success.
So how long do you recommend that they might work on preparing the body before they delve into a full detox?
That depends on the condition they come in, of course.
Okay.
So some people are hot messes, I hate to say it, but when they come in, they need a little bit more care. I could see somebody easily doing 2 weeks. And if somebody says, I have a pretty good diet, I generally feel well, and I've done detoxification programs in the past, I could see anywhere from about 3 to 5 days of pre-toxing.
Makes good sense.
Yeah.
Thank you for that, Keith.
You're welcome.